You see this flower? What's that? It's a rare dog mochi! It is so dirty though. Okay guys, so I guess we're gonna go wash it. Yes, I have a cat, so I keep water at the bottom of my sink. Okay guys, I'm gonna set you up like this. Just don't fall. Okay, let's get some soap. Okay, they say in Minecraft always look behind the pictures. Why not real life? I don't look behind the pictures in real life. Look what I found from about 5 years ago. Okay, fine. You might not discover any like secret doors unless you've had that picture ever since you moved in. That might be a secret door, but still. Most likely, maybe. Most likely not. Okay, let me get some on my fingers and all that. Okay, guys. I love mochi. Sorry it's so dark in here. Want me to know I don't. Oof, that's bright. Oh, look how clean it is. It's like it's all brand new. It just, the only problem is that. There's only a big hole through the middle. It's just, the head's the squishy part. You put it right on the pencil. And he's gonna pee. The dog peed. Hey. I like it, guys. Also, guys, one more subscriber, then I can finally get to 20. Please, guys. I'll do a huge video off it if I get one more, just one. We're so close. I've only had my YouTube channel for about 3 months, so that's extremely good for 3 months. Maybe 2 months, actually. I'm strangling the dog. You know, poor dog. I just want to keep squishing it, guys, but I'll do it off camera. Sorry about background noise. I love all my subscribers, so you'll be part of the subscriber fan. And guess what? Only 1% of people watching are subscribed. Come on, subscribe. You can be part of that 1% and maybe make it higher. Bye. And